have rehearsed well, and I hope that you perform well as well. So today we have Mr. K.D. Ratodi with us and Sanjay Kothari again. So I welcome them again. So first of all, I am calling for role play. Group group by Sharma ma'am. Okay, so now come and give your performance.
Name of that story is The Enormous Turnip. And in this story, there are 4 characters, one old man, his wife, his son, and a daughter. But because we are 5, so we have adjusted one more character, and that is a neighbor Ram Singh. He was not in the story, but we have brought him. So let's see what happened when he planted some turnip seeds in his land. Thank you. Oh, Pushpa.
Yes.
Pushpa?
Yes.
Do you remember that we have a land far from the village?
Yes.
And from so many times, we didn't do anything with that land. And I think it's going waste. And you like turnip, and I like turnip, and our children also like turnip. So I think we should go and plant some turnip seeds there. Okay?
That's
I am
good.
going to see what can I do with that. Okay?
Okay. That's good.
Then you take care of home. This land is very hard. How can I sow the seeds? It's very difficult. First of all, I think I should plow it. But I don't have ox. What to do? I think my neighbor Ram Singh, he will help me, because he has a pair of ox. Ram Singh, how are you, friend?
How are you? Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have a pair of ox?
We are in Chani.
Will you please give me them
Yes.
for one day?
Yes.
Okay, please help me to plow my land. Thank you, Ram Singh. You helped me a lot. When the turnip will grow up, I will share with you.
Yes.
Pushpa,
Yes.
I have sown the seeds of turnip.
Okay.
Where is Harish?
Harish is playing.
Okay, please call him.
Okay. Harish. Bachas. Come on, my father is calling you. Yes, Baba.
Do you know that I have... Okay, please, early in the morning tomorrow, go and water the plants, okay? Okay.
Wow. Turnip plant is very big. I tell you about my mother and father. Father!
What happened? What happened?
The turnip plant growing very big.
How much big?
Like this.
Okay, very good. Pushpa?
Yes.
And where is Radha?
Radha is studying there.
Okay, when she will complete her studies, call her. I have some...
Radha! Bachas. Come on. Your father is calling you.
Radha, what are you doing? I'm studying now. Okay, Radha, tomorrow go with your brother on the farm and take this bag of compost manure and spread on the land. Okay? Okay. This is your one. Radha, I'm going to the farm to see how the plants are growing. Oh, these plants are growing. And this plant is much bigger than other plants. I think this is growing very big. I am going to tell my wife. Radha, come and see. There are so many turnips. And this plant is growing very big. I think this is alone enough to make a curry for whole family. Okay, that's good. Okay, tomorrow when I will come, then I will pull it out. Okay? Very big. It's enormous turnip. Oh my God. I am unable to pull it out. I will call my wife. She will help me. Pushpa, please come. Help me. I will pull it out. It's very big. Okay. We both are unable to pull it out. Difficult task. Okay. You stay here. I am calling Harish. He will help us. Yes. Harish, please come. Look, this turnip is enormous and we both are unable to pull it out. Please help. Yes. Oh, no. I think it's Herculean task and we all are not unable to do it. Maybe the Ram Singh is there.
Yes.
Okay, go and call your uncle.
Ram Singh.
Wow.
Ram Singh, we will share this turnip with you. Please help us to pull it out.
Ram Singh.
We all are unable to pull it out. Harish, go and call your sister Radha. Maybe
Radha.
she will help us. Please help us to pull it out. We have done it.
Where's my wife?
This is very big. I think this turnip is very much big and it's enough to make curry for whole family. And we will share with Ram Singh. Okay? And we all will help to eat it. Okay? Thank you.
Today we are going to a role play. Here the name of the play is The Sky is Going to Fall. Myself is Sabin Best from GPS Badkot. My role is in this play is Funny Bunny, who is a rabbit, and other character of this drama is. So please introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning all of you. My name is Kirpal Singh and my role is Annie Belly. Dear.
Hello, good morning all of you. My name is Ramesh Nautiyal or my name is Rama.
Hello, myself is Mr. Abdul Singh Pawar, Government Primary School, South Block, Batwadi, Targasi.
Hello everyone, myself Vinod Raj and I am playing Voxy Foxy in this drama. Thank you.
Oh my God! What happens? What is this? What happens? Oh my God! The sky is going to fall. What can I do? I saved my life. I should run. think funny. What can you do? I want to talk the king about this. The sky is going to fall. I am running. I am saving my life.
Hello, Henry. Where are you going?
Hello. You don't know what happened? The sky is going to fall.
I know.
Yeah.
When?
This time is something is fall to me. And
No, this is
I
a very dangerous position.
yeah, this is very dangerous.
I will save you.
Yes, we save your life.
I will,
I am going to talk the king of forest.
wait, I will come with you.
That
Okay.
we go.
Come, run, we go.
Run.
Okay. Oh my God.
The sky is going to fall.
Oh my God, it's falling.
The sky is going
This
to
guy is
fall.
falling. Okay. Oh my God. Where are you running?
You don't know? The sky is going to fall. We save your life. We are going to talk the king of forest. Mr. Loyal. Yeah.
I am not running.
Yeah. Run.
Okay, run.
We should save our lives.
God, this is a very dangerous person.
This is very dangerous. Yeah.
Where are you running?
You don't know?
No.
The sky is going to fall. We are saving our life.
Yes.
We are.
I am also telling you.
We are going to.
Wait. Why are you running? What happened?
You don't know?
No.
You are not very clever animal observer. You don't know?
But I don't know. Why are you running?
The sky is going to fall.
This guy is going to fall?
Yeah. We
Oh
save
my
your life.
God. Such a fool animal must be delicious dinner for night for me. You know where the king sleeps?
Oh my God. I don't know. You know?
No.
You
This
know?
guy is falling now and I am saving. They are not saving.
You all don't know where the king
We are not
sleeps?
saving.
We don't
And this
know.
guy is falling.
I know. Just follow me.
Okay,
Yes,
come.
We all of eaten by the fox.
As we all know that respected sir, MT sir has given us the task to perform here as a role play. So our story is based on love and affection, how love and affection cure over a powerful action. So the characters which are there in our play, Sar sir is playing the role of policeman, and respected Nishi ma'am is playing the role of milkman, respected Suman ma'am is playing the role of wrestler, and respected Rajkumar sir is playing the role of cow, and myself is playing the role of little boy. So now our play is ready.
Oh, where is my cow? Where is my cow? Can you tell me where is my cow?
Don't know.
Oh God.
In the pocket.
Oh. Have you seen my cow?
No.
Oh, it's the sound of my cow. Oh, my cow is here. Yes. Move. Move. The cow is very happy. Come.
Bulbul Pandey. I am Bulbul Pandey. What is the matter, madam?
Oh, sir, this is my cow. I am requested her to come with me, but she is refusing. She don't move. Can you help me, sir?
Yes.
Come, get up, get up. Oh God.
What
happened? What are you doing here? Oh, sir, this is my cow, but she is not coming with me. Oh. Get up. Can you help me, sir?
Yeah, I can help. Leave the space.
The cow is very active. Oh my God. Get up. Move.
Good morning, uncle. Good morning, uncle.
Good morning.
What are you doing here on the road?
This is my cow, but she's not moving. She's not come with me.
Uncle, can I help you?
How can I help you? You are such a little boy.
Little one. Go.
No, uncle, I can help you. No, uncle, please. Please give me a chance. I can make the cow move from its place.
How?
I can. Our teacher once told us in the class, our Nishi ma'am told, that you must be kind to the animal as we eat our rice and dal, chapatis and all these things. So in the same way we can give the cow green grass and it will help us the cow to move from its place.
Yes.
So can I help?
Yes, you can. Yeah. Yes, very good. Very good. Excellent. Very good.
So as a conclusion, we all have seen this play, and the moral value of our play that our kindness, caring, and loving nature always help us to win the heart of even animals. So we must have a kind heart. We must have affection. We must have a caring nature for the animals too. So that can help us to do anything in the world. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Our group is going to present a role play which is titled as How the Dog Found Himself His Master. This story we have taken from Honeysuckle of class 6th. We will introduce ourselves as we are playing our roles. My name is K.S. Rawat. I am playing the role of dog.
And I am Bimla Negi and I am playing the role of wolf in this drama.
I am Asha Chauhan and I am playing the role of a deer.
I am Arvind Rath, UPS Mathali Chinali Sort. This role of play in drawing.
I am Prakash Mishra in this play role of
Lion.
Yes, he is very strong animals in the forest.
Lion.
Yes.
Stronger than you.
Do you know?
No,
He is
no.
also the king of the forest.
I don't know.
Please, let's go. He will kill both you and me.
Okay, okay. Then goodbye to you.
Okay.
Goodbye to you. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Lion. What are you doing?
Okay. I'm a dog. I'm in search of my master. Will you become my master?
Okay. I'm the lion, the king of the forest. I'm followed all rules in the forest. I'm the strongest man, strongest animal in the earth.
I need the man like you.
Come.
Okay.
Let us go.
Okay. What happened? Is anything wrong?
You are a man. You are a gunman. I am the killed.
Man.
Oh, man. You are a man. Killed. I smell in the way the killed. You are better. You are run away from here.
Okay, you go. Goodbye to you. Goodbye. Good morning, man.
Good morning, good morning.
How are you?
I am man. Who are you?
I am a dog. I am in search of the master. Will you become my master?
Yes, yes, why not? I am the strongest man.
Thank you. Okay.
You will be happy with me.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. Thank you.
The theme of this story is how the dog became pet. First. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, please. Significant part of this group is that they had Ishwar with them. So I am calling them to perform here, and I hope at last it will be the best. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Honorable MD sir, respected Rajuni sir, and all respected teachers. In hot summer days, we all like to take ice cream, cold drinks, kulfi, and cold drinks, flavored milk. So, when there is a horn of in the hot summer days, when there is a horn in the street, we jump from our room to outside to see that ice cream man has come to our street. So here we are having a skit on a ice cream man. When he comes, in our face, a smile becomes so big. So we are playing a skit on that. Myself is Snehi Rawat.
I am Sunil Kumar, GPS personnel from Kola.
And also Salman Natyal from GMPS report.
Myself Suresh Agramola, GPS City. The name is Ishwar from basically no.
Thank you. So we are having a skit. So we will play skit. So this skit 1, 2. How much you can do? But sun is scorching so much. Now what is there? So much hot is. I am feeling thirsty. I want to eat ice cream. I am feeling thirsty. I want to take ice cream. Today ice cream has not come. Not today. Yesterday also he had come. Where he has? Oh. Hello, uncle. Where were you yesterday?
I was ill. So I couldn't come.
Hello, uncle.
Yeah, okay. Yes, I took medicine.
Hello, uncle. How are you?
Fine.
And how, hello uncle, how are you? Where were you yesterday?
I was.
Oh, who had missed our ice cream?
Have you taken some medicines?
Yes, uncle, we missed our ice cream yesterday. Give me ice cream.
Yes.
Me also, I want cold drink.
Yes.
And I want flavor.
Please, one by one.
Okay, one by one you come.
Give me chocolate. How much it cost?
Please only.
Okay.
Give me 10 rupees, please. I don't have money to take.
Yes. Give me already ice cream. Thanks.
Uncle, give me that softy ice cream. How much it cost?
10 rupees only.
10 rupees only or 5 rupees only?
10 rupees.
Okay.
And uncle,
Ice cream
give
is so tasty.
me strawberry. Strawberry flavor. Give me. Yes.
My ice cream has fell down. My ice cream has fell down.
Give me some.
And this dog is licking my ice cream. I don't have ice cream.
Why are you crying,
What to do? My ice cream has fell down there. And this dog is licking my ice cream. Say loudly.
Uncle, she doesn't have money. You can give.
No, if you don't give me money, I will take from uncle. Uncle, tomorrow I will give you back money.
Give me one more.
I do that.
Okay.
Give me ice cream. Thank you. You are so good.
I'm always good. And Sanjay is very nice. He always bring us ice cream. cold
Yeah,
drinks,
you also
and
you are
everything.
thankful to
I also like
you. You are such a good man. In a hot summer day, you come here, give us ice cream, cold drinks, and all these things. And we are very thankful to you. You are such a nice man. Sometimes you are not having money, then also you give us in free of cost or take money in some other days. Thank you so much.
Sir, let us know. What do you want?
Are you coming to my home?
Yes.
For play? Okay, let's move. Come. Come and sit here. Please sit. Would you like to take anything?
Yes. I don't want anything. I also come here.
Okay, then we should not waste our time. We should play the game. Okay. Which game we will play?
I will play tippy top.
Tippy top. Fine. Okay, who will be the daddy? Suresh will be the daddy because he comes in the last.
You top. You will then.
He will be the daddy. Okay, start. Suresh, start.
Tippy top.
Which flower you want?
Lotus.
You want lotus? Suresh is no, you come here. You haven't touched the lotus. First I touch. You will use from then. Go.
You are cheating.
No, we are not cheating.
Tippy top.
Which fruit you want?
Mango.
Mango.
You are there.
Tippy top.
Which number you want?
I want 100. Okay. Okay friends, now I get tired. I want to take something from my home. I feel thirsty also.
I also feel.
You are also feeling thirsty? Let me bring money from my home, then we will take some ice cream and cold drinks, okay? Where is that ice cream man? I don't know where he gone today. He is not having money.
Okay, I will pay you.
Sit down.
Yes, I have 50 rupees. I can pay you. How much?
I will give you
10 rupees. 10 rupees.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He also wants.
Okay. 10 rupees.
Give him back tomorrow, okay? Okay, give us one.
Give us ice cream. Thanks. Give me pink guava. Thank you, uncle. Thank you.
10 rupees.
Give me.
You have put 20 rupees?
20 pounds.
How much it cost, uncle?
5 rupees.
5 rupees cost, then 15 rupees you will give him back, na? So you all friends have seen, this is a skit based on an ice cream man. Ice cream man play a big role in our childhood. So it's my request to all of you, in spite of taking ice creams, cold drinks and all the cold things from the supermarket and the market, in spite of taking from there, it's better to take from him, as he is giving a big smile on our face. So it's our duty to give him a big smile on his face also, so that he can earn money from us and he can run his family also. Thank you so much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you very much. Role play. सर आप लोगों में आनंदम के जो लोग हैं, तीन लोग का है अभी तो जा सकते हैं। किशन पावर तो बोल रहे हैं यार दो ही गए दो तीन
एक रिक्वेस्ट भी है आपसे, इसके बाद बताते हैं आपसे इन्हीं दो के बारे में।
So sir, as I said earlier that today we have Mr. K.D. Rathodi with us, who is a very keen observer and very good reviewer as well. You performed at your best. Even then, there must be some shortcomings which may be pointed out for correction. It has several shortcomings, not about English, but about role play. In role play, introduction should be done at last, not in the beginning, along with their character. Which character you are playing, introduce yourself with your character. I am so and so playing so and so character. As English, from English point of view, it was good, very good. You practiced well. So I am very thankful to all of you for this total exercise you are doing from study here. But from role point of view, it needs some corrections. So I will talk on those corrections later on after tea. Right now, I am calling Rathodi ji for their suggestion and feedback and observations. मैं राथोड़ी जी को बुलाता हूँ तो अपने उन्होंने क्या देखा, क्या सलाह देना चाहेंगे और क्या आपको अपने ऑब्जर्वेशंस।
आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय और सभी प्रतिभागी जो इस समय इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए सारे लोग जो आए हैं, आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है। जो रोल प्ले आप लोग कर रहे थे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था कि अक्सर जो हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं कई समय से कर रहे हैं, जैसे सर ने भी कहा कि जो हम लोग कह रहे हैं वो अंग्रेजी में कह रहे हैं, हिंदी में कह रहे हैं, उसका फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज जो बता रही थी कि हम लोग इसको कैसे बच्चों को दिखा रहे हैं। क्योंकि अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में इतना ही अंतर है, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी हम लोग कम प्रयोग करते हैं और हिंदी का हम लोग ज़्यादा प्रयोग करते हैं। तो चीज़ें हम लोग जो जब भी हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हिंदी मीडियम और अंग्रेजी मीडियम में जब हम लोग अंतर देखते हैं, जो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं कि अंग्रेजी मीडियम में पढ़ रहे हैं और घर में हिंदी मीडियम है, तो वो दोनों क्या हो रहा है, कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है कि जो विचार हिंदी में आ रहे हैं उनको अंग्रेजी में कैसा लाया जाए। तो जो आप लोग दिखा रहे थे, जो ड्रामा के द्वारा आप लोग दिखा रहे थे, तो वास्तविक रूप में बच्चा भी कहीं ना कहीं इन चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व होता है और हम लोगों से बच्चा जल्दी सीखता है। क्योंकि हम लोगों ने जो अंग्रेजी सीखी है वो 6 से सीखी है और आज हमारा बच्चा शुरू से ही अंग्रेजी में बात कर रहा है। तो संकोच इसलिए है क्योंकि उसका जो विद्यालय का वातावरण और घर का वातावरण दोनों अलग अलग है। और वास्तविक रूप से जैसे आप लोग कर रहे हैं, यदि बच्चों के बीच में ये किया जाए तो निश्चित रूप से बच्चा हमसे ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल है, ज़्यादा जल्दी सीखेगा। क्योंकि हमें सीखने में समय लगेगा लेकिन बच्चे को सीखने में समय नहीं लगेगा। और जैसे आपको टास्क मिला था, उस टास्क के मुताबिक आप लोगों ने जो भी किया है बहुत अच्छा किया है। तो इसका उद्देश्य भी यही है कि हम लोग यहाँ 5 दिन में कितना सीख सकते हैं। आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा, जितनी आपने चीज़ें, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको पहले से आती है, लेकिन इन 5 दिनों में आपने क्या सीखा है। और इन कार्यशालाओं का उद्देश्य भी यही होता है कि हम लोग समूह में बैठ कर के एक दूसरे से, सारे लोग एक जैसे नहीं हैं, लेकिन एक दूसरे से हम कुछ न कुछ सीखते हैं। इन कार्यशालाओं का उद्देश्य भी यही होता है। और जो आपने किया तो ये कुछ घंटे मिले होंगे, लेकिन आप लोगों ने इतना बढ़िया किया। और यदि बच्चों को आप लोग टास्क दें, क्योंकि हम लोग बार बार प्रशिक्षणों में यही कहते रहे कि अध्यापक को बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, वो उनका एक क्या है, मार्गदर्शक है। और जब भी वो चीज़ें बच्चों के बीच रखें तो निश्चित रूप से बच्चे उनको और बढ़िया तरीके से कैसे करेंगे, आपको केवल हेल्प करनी है। और जैसे आप लोगों ने 5 लोगों ने या 6 लोगों ने इस प्रकार मिल करके संयुक्त रूप में प्रदर्शन किया या प्रदर्शित किया है, तो वो यदि विद्यालय में बच्चों को इस प्रकार के टास्क दिए जाए तो बच्चे और बेहतर से इसको कर रहे होंगे। और निश्चित रूप से आप लोगों के पास इतना अनुभव है, और अनुभव से आदमी ज़्यादा सीखता है। एक तो पढ़ना हुआ, एक अनुभव हुआ, तो क्या है, एक तो हमने सैद्धांतिक और दूसरा हमारा जो क्या है प्रयोग है, तो वो हम लोग कर सकते हैं। और उसके द्वारा हम लोग बच्चों में रुचि पैदा कर सकते हैं। और अंग्रेजी, जिसको हमारे बच्चे क्या समझते हैं, बहुत कठिन विषय समझते